Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and I just love this Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump for so many reasons. This poppy color is just so beautiful. I feel like it just brightens up my face, and it gives excellent coverage while also giving this beautiful glossy shine that does not feel too sticky. My lips feel so hydrated when I use it, and the packaging, which is beautiful and sleek looking, makes it really easy to use and to take it on the go. You just remove the cap and click the base, and it just glides so smoothly with such a beautiful, rich color. I am just constantly reaching for this Tarte Maracuja Lip Plump Gloss. Color poppy is beautiful, and I love the hydrated, glossy look that it gives me. And that's my point of view.